And next up, we got Rare's first game. At this time, known as Ultimate Play the Game. This is. I'm trying to remember the name of the computer. It's like ZX Spectrum or something like that. This may be familiar to some of you, as this game was actually included in Donkey Kong 64, another game that we made for the Nintendo 64, and you had to. They included a special collectible inside this game, and you had to play this old arcade game to get that collectible in order to progress through the game, which was that part wasn't frustrating. The frustrating part was playing original Donkey Kong Country to get another similar coin in that game. But this game also saw a sequel on Xbox Live called Jetpac Refueled that you may have played. But this is actually, for an old game from 1983, this is actually a pretty fun game. Oops. Come on. Alright. Ah. Kill all the strange multicolored things. Basically the object is just to, collect the space parts, put them down on the launcher, and then collect the fuel. And then fuel it up. Die, all you things. And I can't remember what gold does. It just gives you a high score, I guess. I think it eventually, if you get enough of it, maybe you get like extra lives. It's definitely been some years since I've played this game. Honestly, out of the first games of Nintendo 80, Naughty Dog, and Rare, I think I probably like this one the best out of the three of them. Oop. Lost a life. It's alright. I have fuel! Give me fuel, give me fire. Give me that which I desire. Yay! Look, I can get into it. Oh yeah! Early video game cutscene! And that is a cinematic from the 1980s. Taking me to another level, or planet, that looks exactly the same, except it now has giant fuzzballs with eyes, maybe eyes. Oh god, ah! I'm dead. But not for long. It has laser beams. Oh look, there's a big green gelatin thing over here. I will take that, thank you. No, 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 no! Ah, I made it. Ah! And I die. So I have one life left. I wonder if this game goes down to 0 lives or not. Oh, cool! I got another one up. So I don't have to worry about that yet. Shit. Yep. Such graphics. Let me go. Spaceman is here to destroy giant multicolor orbs from space. Or maybe they're balloons. Just giant pulsating living balloons. Oh, Oh dear. Like how I just like step on something with my tippy toe and instantly I explode. I'm just like, I have been defiled! Suicide vest! Something like that. More fuel. Begone, strange balls. Oh god. Why do I have like a bomb or anything? Cool. I can't remember if those are in this game. Oh, game over, player one. I think we need to try that one more time. I remember being somewhat decent at the Xbox Live sequel. I mean, of course I was not able to complete it because the game was stupid hard, but I remember getting farther than probably 90% of people who played it did. But alas, my skills have vanished. This is what a real Jetpac game is like. None of that Jetpac Joyrider crap, wherever it is. No microtransactions here, folks. Just pure, whatever this is. Pure simplistic graphics with like 3 or 4 different colors. It's all you get. All the fuel is belong to me. What you say? Alright, get in my U-1 spacecraft. Like how the fire coming out of the engines is like way below where it should be. It looks like there's 2 engines, but only one propulsion blast. Ooh, maybe there is bombs. Don't remember how to use them. Especially not on an emulator. I guess I should just start hitting buttons when I feel trapped and hope my bomb goes off. Or will I run into something? Die, foul Furbies. Nope, I had no idea how to use a bomb, even if it's possible. Whoa! Stay away from me! Do not like this. I do not like this, Sam I am. Go back to your evil Furby planet. Away we go. Come on. Maybe that isn't a bomb. Maybe it just gives me points. Oh dear. Oh. That was my bad. I just got like stuck on something. Feel my rage. No balloon ball things shall defeat the great unnamed person with a jetpack. Okay, maybe they did. But yeah, that is Jetpac, the first Rare game. Who, they may not be quite as big of a name now as they used to be due to Microsoft kind of moving them to Connect games, sadly. But they have some of the greatest games of all time, so they definitely deserve to be held next to Nintendo and Naughty Dog. Alright, I think that's enough Jetpac. So, that'll be it.